Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, then switch to the contacts application, select contact which you want to add photo, tap on the pencil icon to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo. Here you can take photo or to just select one from the gallery. So let's go to gallery, select photo which you want to set up. Then here you can adjust it, like crop it the way you like. And then just tap done and then save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.